Driving with DoorDash in Atlanta, best areas, tips and tricks, and the ultimate side hustle guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sharing my experiences and tips for driving with DoorDash in Atlanta. We'll cover the best areas to dash, insider tips and tricks, and discuss the best side hustle options. If you want to maximize your earnings and navigate the Atlanta market efficiently, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Understanding the Atlanta market. Atlanta can be a challenging market due to high dasher saturation and traffic, but with the right strategy, you can still make good money. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Saturation. The number of dashers in Atlanta has increased, making some areas highly competitive. Traffic. Navigating Atlanta's traffic, especially downtown, can be difficult, so plan your dashing times and locations wisely. Best areas to dash. 1. Midtown. Best around 11 a.m. and after 6 p.m. Avoid during peak times due to heavy traffic and parking issues. Try the lockers on Forest Street next to the QT on Howell Mill Road. 2. Buckhead, Brookhaven. Generally steady with good tips. Plenty of high-end restaurants and affluent customers. 3. Roswell, Alpharetta. Easier navigation and higher tips compared to Midtown. Mall areas are especially busy. 4. Sandy Springs, Dunwoody. Consistently busy with good orders and tips. 5. Smyrna. Reliable area with decent orders and less traffic. 6. Union City. Can be good but tips are less frequent. 7. Marietta North, Fair Oaks. Solid for dashing with less saturation. 8. Peachtree City, PTC. Great option on the south side with reliable orders. Tips and tricks for successful dashing. Safety first. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially in downtown or less safe neighborhoods. Consider carrying pepper spray and a flashlight for late-night shifts. Winter dashing. Take advantage of bad weather. Demand increases as people prefer to stay indoors. Optimal shifts. Lunch, 11:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Dinner, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Late night, post 10 p.m. can be very lucrative with less traffic. Maintain high ratings. Keep your acceptance and completion rates high to get better orders. Always provide excellent customer service to increase tips. Documentation. Take pictures of every delivery, even hand-to-me orders. Send a photo through the app to cover yourself in case of disputes. Side hustles. Consider supplementing with Instacart. Many dashers find it more profitable in Atlanta. Vary your routes and dashing locations to avoid burnout and discover new hotspots. Avoid problematic restaurants. Stay away from slow restaurants like Popeyes and Crystal's. Equipment. Invest in a good hot, cold bag and a phone holder. Keep your vehicle well maintained to avoid breakdowns. Best practices. Goal setting. Set daily and weekly earnings goals. Vehicle maintenance. Regularly service your car to keep it in top condition. Tax preparation. Pay quarterly taxes to avoid a big bill at the end of the year. Flexibility. Be flexible with your schedule and locations to take advantage of high demand times. Conclusion. Dashing in Atlanta can be challenging, but with these tips and strategies, you can navigate the market effectively and maximize your earnings. Remember to stay safe, maintain high ratings, and be strategic about your dashing times and locations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DoorDash tips and tricks. See you next time. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Happy dashing! Happy dashing!